Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to create a forest 3D scene 360-degree panorama for any of your Blender project, Blender 3D animation and Blender 3D modeling software. You can see this is a forest 3D scene. It is really a 360-degree scene, a background, 360-degree background. It is exactly a high definition forest, and I'm going to show you all these step by step how to make this for your 3D animations. Let's go. The first step, just go to the web browser and search for Polyhaven. Go into the Polyhaven, then you should be able to see the assets. Move your mouse cursor to assets, click the HDRIs. From the HDRI, click the nature tab. From the nature tab here, actually you can just search for forest. Click outdoor. Or you just search for forest here. So you can click any of the forest HDRI. Click into that. Then click the triple line. You can see 8K tone map JPG. Click the 8K tone map. Then download the 8K tone map. Just right click, save the image as. I will just save it on my desktop. The 8K tone map's name is mossyforest.jpg. I click save. Now it already saved as a JPG picture. And the next step, go to the Blender. From the Blender here, you just need to click the viewport shading, render, then move your mouse cursor to the corner until you see a cross. Just drag, then click here, switch it to shader editor. From the shader editor here, you can see object. It is now in object mode. We change from the object mode to world. Then scroll up to zoom it. You can see the background. Next, drag the color out. Search for environmental texture. Then click open. Open from the desktop, mossyforest.jpg. Now you can see it already done. This is the 8K tone map that already in your Blender environment, you can see. Now you can perform the 3D animation at here as you want. It is a 360-degree panorama. It is really easy. This is a forest scene. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a forest scene 360-degree panorama for your Blender 3D animation and 3D modeling software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.